Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afiola Citra Mevia Ranggauni, and now I want to present part of review of literature from my thesis proposal. First is review of literature. The writer described the review of literature used in this study in this chapter. Gender performativity theory is used to complete this research. This section defines fictional device and gender performativity theory. And in this slide is about fictional device. Films are increasingly being used in academic literature because they provide a fresh, innovative way of expressing story. The use of cinematography is telling a story, a crucial aspect of filmmaking. Cinematography, defined, it is a general term for all manipulation of the film strip by the camera during the shooting phase and by the laboratory during the development phase. Cinematography, which brings as a tale to life on the screen by capturing and analyzing case scans, also serve as a tool to support the point made by the narrative element. Shoot, angle, and mise-en-scène are examples of in cinematography. Narrative elements are the portrayal of an event or group event. They are method that can help study and examine a tale in literary work such as a film. These tools are known as narrative elements, and there are 5 narrative elements in general in film: plot, theme, setting, character, characterization, and point of view. A story plot is made up of all action and sequence that take place from the beginning to the end of the narrative. A plot is made up of the deed that the character within the story as a whole carry out, with each deed having an effect. The setting of narrative describes the era and location where it is set. To create an atmosphere that can actually disclose a lot about a story, authors frequently describe a character surrounding in great detail, including the time of day, background noises, season, scenery, and year. Characters are the person who appear in the theatrical or narrative work. There are 2 kinds of character: the protagonist, who is the main figure in the story, and the antagonist, who is the polar opposite of the protagonist. Characterization simply can be defined as the process on how tale writer reveals character personality. The narrative viewpoint, often known as the point of view, specifies how a text shows an event, a setting, and person. According Kennedy, there are 4 categories of point of view. The narrator takes on the role of participant in the first person point of view, using the pronoun I through the story event. The narrator could be the protagonist, an observer, a sidekick of a mirror character. When the narrator does not actively participate in the story, but instead narrates in from the perspective one of character, this is referred to as third-person point of view. And in this last slide is about gender performativity. Gender performativity is a term first used by the feminist philosopher Judith Butler in the book Gender Trouble. Butler argued that being born male or female does not determine behavior. Instead, people learn to behave in particular ways to fit into society. The idea of gender is an act or performance, but if we go deeper, gender, as opposite to sex, is a gradually accurate component of personality, according to Judith Butler. She criticized the notion that anatomy dictates everything, highlighting that sex is fixed, whereas gender is a culturally formed meaning acquired over time. Butler believed that gender is a slowly constructed identity impacted by society standard rather than a solid one. Judith Butler believed that gender is not a stable identity or a process that cannot be controlled, but is an identity that is formed slowly, an identity that is formed from repetitive action. Butler also said that status created by gender is treated repeatedly from sex. Gender is something that is floating, with the consequence that man and masculine might signify a woman body as a man body and vice versa. Today's cultural standard is that everyone must be either male or female. There are only two genders. As a result, babies born with ambiguous genitalia must have surgery to standardize their genitalia and make their body male or female. Similarly, transsexuals desire to have their genitals altered to match the gender they believe they are. Butler believes that sex is socially created since people's gender are modified according to societal expectation. Gender describes social expectation, rules, and norms tied to femininity and masculinity. Sex relates to men and women, while gender relates to masculinity and femininity. Okay, maybe segitu aja penjelasan dari saya, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.